Melissa, I need this, or I need something that's structured, or I need something that is going to keep me on track with my nutrition and with my fitness. This is the program for you. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about my weight loss journey, how it's going, and also going to be telling you and unboxing and inviting you guys to my new faith and fitness group. Let's get into it. All right, you guys. So for those who do not know and those who do not follow us on Instagram, you may know or may not know that I am a health coach, you guys. I am so passionate about health and wellness that I decided to go ahead, take that plunge, and to become a health coach. So not only am I coaching myself to better health, but I encourage other women and men to do the same thing. I want to give you a quick update on how my weight loss journey is going. First of all, I stopped calling it a weight loss journey, and I started calling it a journey to better health. Because yes, I'm trying to lose weight, but the ultimate goal is not just a number on the scale, but the ultimate goal is for me to become healthy. So now I'm calling it my journey to better health, okay? So how is it going? Yes, the numbers on the scale are going down, and also I'm helping others and encouraging others to do the same thing, to eat well, to work out, and to become a better version of themselves. So I've lost a total of 12 pounds since starting my weight loss journey, and that is pretty exciting. So what am I going to do to continue to lose weight, continue to lose inches, and continue on my journey to better health? Well, I'm going to be starting a new weight loss program called Muscle Burns Fat, y'all. And I am super stoked, super excited about this. You might have heard of Beachbody before. Well, if you haven't, Beachbody has been around since, honestly, forever. And mostly a lot of people have had like some type of DVD. There was Insanity or 21 Day Fix or something sent to their house or seen an info commercial on TV. Well, I'm going to be doing a Beachbody program, and they're not sending out DVDs anymore, okay? Now it's all virtual. It's all on your computer or your smartphone or your laptop. Okay, now this program is called Muscle Burns Fat, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So the program is a 3-week program, and each workout is about 25 to 35 minutes. And I've been doing the sample workout all week long. So if you want to try out the sample workout, click the link in the description box below. It says, I want to try the sample workout or Muscle Burns Fat sample workout. Click that link and fill out the form, and I'll send you the workout right away. And the workouts are for 7 days a week. One of those days is an active recovery, okay? Now, the point of this workout is to build muscle. And we all know that when you build muscle, you are constantly, basically all day long, you're burning fat, which is pretty awesome. Okay, I have a lot of fat to burn. So this is a great program for me. So when I purchased this program, it came with 2, not 1, but 2 nutrition programs, which is phenomenal. It came with 2B Mindset, and it also came with the Ultimate Portion Fix. Now with that, I was able to get some supplies sent to the house to help me with my nutrition, because nutrition is key. I can work out every single day, but if my nutrition is trash, man, I'm not going to see any results, okay? So let me show you what all came with the Muscle Burns Fat package. So really cool, you get these portion containers. Now these portion containers allows me to be able to plan out my meals, but not only plan out my meals, but plan out my portions. So this is going to be key when meal planning. So each of these containers represent a different color. So the color represent a different food group. So for instance, purple represents fruits. The yellow represents carbs. The green represents my vegetables. Red represents proteins. And if you look closely in there, you really can't see it. The orange represents my dressings and different seeds and things like that. Because you know I can drench some salad dressing dressing over a salad. But instead of just drenching it and guessing how much I'm supposed to have, I'm going to use my portion control containers, and that's going to tell me exactly how much dressing I'm supposed to have on my salad. You also get a guide to nutrition. Now this has tons of recipes in here, all the way from dessert to different smoothies and shakes. It also has dinner, breakfast, and lunch recipes in here as well. Now this here is my tracker. Anything that I eat, drink, I'm going to be tracking it down. Now there is a digital copy of this, but I am definitely paper and pencil type of girl. I don't know about you, but I'm paper and pencil. So this is perfect and right on time, okay? So as you can see, they even have different pictures here, and this is how much carbs, how much protein, how much veggies I should be eating throughout the day for each meal. They also have where you can add your water intake and how many ounces or milliliters you're drinking. You can track that on here as well. Now speaking of nutrition, I also got a 1 month supply of my superfood protein powder. This has 17 grams of protein. It's a good source of omega-3, which is really, really good for you. It helps support healthy energy and digestion, and it helps curb cravings and supports healthy weight loss. Since I have been taking this protein powder, you guys, I've noticed that I am fuller a lot longer. I like to drink it in the morning right after my workout, kind of like a breakfast substitute. I notice I'm fuller a lot longer. I'm not reaching for the sweets as much when I drink my superfood smoothies, okay? So not only do I add my protein, I also add my teaming greens in there as well to give me a little extra boost of greens. So that's a good tip. And people say, well, Melissa, why can't I just, you know, you do some workouts on YouTube? Because there are tons of workouts on YouTube. Don't get me wrong. I used to do workouts on YouTube, but I no longer do workouts on YouTube because I don't want to have to think that hard. I don't want to have to wonder, well, what should I work out on? Or what should I do? Or should I do abs this day? Or when should I do legs? Or whatever. I don't want to have to do all that. This workout program gives you a calendar to follow, which is so cool. And when you follow a calendar, like a schedule, and they tell you exactly what to do and how to do it, that takes the guesswork out of it. It kind of makes it easier for you to get your maximum results. And when you work out on YouTube, okay, you're going to be clicking that same video every single Wednesday, and it's going to be the same exact workouts. But when you do a program like this, that's structured like this one here, okay, the workouts get progressively harder every time you press play. So this day, yeah, we're doing lower body burn on day 1, but it's not going to be the same exact lower body burn on day 15. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to get progressively harder and harder. That way you can maximize your results. That's not all you get. But unfortunately, I can't show you the very last thing I want to show you because it's on back order. So many people are ordering and purchasing this program, you guys, that the bod ropes are on back order. And I'm actually going to put a picture of the bod ropes right here, y'all. They're basically little handheld jump ropes that you can use to jump rope. And it's supposed to be easier on your knees and actually jumping like traditional jump rope. So that's really, really cool, especially for people who have issues with their knees, okay? So I'm excited about this program and getting started. I'm excited to do it with my fit family, my fit sisters and brothers out there. And if you're like, Melissa, I need this, or I need something that's structured, or I need something that is gonna keep me on track with my nutrition and with my fitness, this is the program for you. And if you want to know even more information about it, click the link in the description box below, fill out the form, and I can send you more information. Or even if you want to try it out to see if this is something that really works for you, okay, you can try out the sample workout, which is also, the link is also in the description box below. Okay? All right, y'all. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for for being so supportive of my journey to better health. And make sure you click that red button so you can stay updated on my workout program, Muscle Burns Fat. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.